out some of the soup because it looks like we have too much of it. Also, if I have enough time, I let it cool down for a bit so the fat is going to freeze on top of this and I can remove the rest. Now I'm going to add more black pepper. This time it's just ground ones, and then salt. So if you don't have a knorr liquid seasoning, a regular soy sauce will work. A tablespoon just for your taste. And I don't think it's in the video, I also added a tablespoon of Patis, that's what we call it, or fish sauce. You can also add more than a tablespoon, depends on your taste. Once the corn's almost done, taste the soup. Then if it's to your likeness, you can now add your lettuce. Enjoy your bulalo, serve with rice.